using a proportional valve to control gas pressure, the cutting system sends a matching DA voltage to adjust the valve opening. Ideally, DA voltage and gas pressure are linear. For example, with a 0 to 10 volts range and 10 bar max oxygen pressure, 1 volt equals 1 bar. Setting 1 bar in software outputs 1 volt. In real use, they are not perfectly linear. To get accurate pressure, run Gas DA Calibration in CypCut. Go to the File menu, open Gas DA Calibration, and enable it. The interface shows gas type, DA channel, voltage range, and max pressure. Set 10 to 15 data groups for accuracy, then click DA Autofill, and the system will automatically set evenly spaced DA values based on the number of groups. You can choose automatic mode or manual mode. In automatic mode, click DA Auto Output, set the time interval. After confirmation, the system will output each DA voltage 1 by 1 at the set interval. Just enter the actual pressure value for each DA output and save when done. In manual mode, click Output Next. Fill in the real pressures step by step, then click Save to finish calibration.